Hello guys, so in this video I will show some of the improvements that I have made for this car, and there's lots of physics involved and there are some extra code logic or concepts that are involved here which we have not covered so far. So I will not try to explain all of them in this video, but we will revisit this entire thing again once we have covered these concepts one by one in the class. So for now, we'll show the demo and we'll see some of the concepts that I have used here. So this is our car. I'll play the game. So in this car, lots of new concepts have been applied. One is the audio. You can see that I have added some audio source. So we'll try to see what all things. So if you can see that in the car, I have added another object which is Nitro object, and inside this we have two nitros left and right, which I have disabled for now. Let me enable it. And left nitro, right nitro, and inside this there is a concept called particle system, a concept in Unity, and you can see that this particle system plays the nitro effect. So using this particle system, I have made nitro effect or nitro eject, but the car is moving fast when you press the nitro. So for that, I have added some script. Apart from that, there are some audio which I'm using. So there are four audios are here. Acceleration, when car is accelerating or increasing its speed, the acceleration high. This audio I'm using for nitro. For the script, so I have written multiple scripts. One of the script will just see the script for nitro. My car audio is a script for audio of this car, and this is a nitro script. So what I have done is, first of all, when you hit a button like N button I have kept for nitro, when you hit the button, then we start the nitro of the car, but it's not like a jump. You just jump and done. It is applied for some time. So that is why I have put some extra logic. So some extra variables are there, like what is the nitro time. For now I have kept it 2 seconds, but we can make it 5 seconds, 4 seconds, whatever you want to. Maybe, yeah, based on how much force do we need to apply. Since it's a continuous force, we'll keep it 10. I have, from the editor I have made it 10. I have made the acceleration speed 10. Nitro time is 2. There's some acceleration audio clip that I'm playing, and the nitro effect, which is this object. So this object is by default. This object is by default inactive. I have disabled it from here, but from the code I will make it active. So when you press this N button, so what I'll do is I set a variable which is nitro active to true. Then I call a function apply nitro. And what this function does, this function add force to the car in the forward direction of the car. Transform.forward will give the local forward direction, or the car forward direction, and apply the force, and the mode is acceleration mode, so it will accelerate slowly, not impulsive. Then audio source, this concept that I'll cover later, and I play the audio nitro clip using this audio source. And after that, in this update method, I have some logic. What this logic checks, if the nitro is active. If the nitro is active, then we increase the timer by time.data_time. This is the time gap between the function call. Update function is called after every few milliseconds. So this is the few milliseconds which I talk about. So I increase the timer, nitro timer, which was 0 initially, plus this few milliseconds, and then again call this function to apply the force, and return from here means the code will return from here. So return is also a new concept which we'll see maybe later. And once the time nitro time is greater than nitro timer, which we are incrementing after every few milliseconds when this function is being called. So when this timer value is greater than the nitro time, which was 2 seconds, so we make nitro as inactive or make it false, and nitro timer set to 0, and nitro effect. Nitro effect was the object for the nitro effect is this game object. This game object which is inactive, and we make it active when we press the N button, and we disable it when the time is over or 2 seconds is over. Then we make it false. Active equals to false, and here we make it active equals to true when you press the N button. For audio also there are some concepts, and there are lots of improvement that can be made to this car, but for now we'll keep this much only, and we'll try to cover all these concepts one by one, and then we'll revisit this car and try to understand entire thing. So we'll play it one more time.